Hello everyone. In this lecture, you will learn how to create a lit class or model for our games category activity. Okay, so let's go to app, go to Java. Under your package name, as you can see, we have a lit directory. Okay, right click on it, select new, and then select Java. After that, you can create a separate class for your activity. But as you can see, everything is same. So we are not creating a separate class like this one. We just need to copy and paste. Okay, so click on random game list, just copy this one, go to list, right click on it and paste. Okay, now you have to give a name to your list class. Let's name it category games list. You can give any name to your class, it is totally up to you. So now press OK. As you can see, our category game list class has been ready. Maybe in your language you called it a model class, right? Okay, now it is ready. So this video has been completed. I will meet you in the next video.